Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Helpline. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Lotto's account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Lotto's account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now, let's get back into the video. So, to log into your Lotto's account, firstly go to your Google search, type in Lotto login and make a search. Scroll down and click on the third link displayed on the screen. It will take you to the official page of Lotto. Tap on the login option at the top right corner of the screen. To log into your Lotto account, enter your email address and password associated with your account. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgotten your password. After entering your email address and password associated with your account, click on Login. This is how you can log into your Lotto account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.